Hello, this is my neighborhood. If you are at the in my house, go straight on 16th Street until see the school. Turn left on 59th Street, go past the grocery stores, and at your left see the restaurant. If you are at the barber shop, go straight on 59th Street during 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. Turn right on 54th Street 1 block more, and in the corner find the park. If you are the church, go straight on 54th Street 2 block 1, 2. Turn right on 16th Street 1 block, and in front of grocery stores, see the laundry.